Welcome to Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make crepes. So let's get started. I've got here 2 cups of plain flour or all-purpose flour, 1.5 cups of full cream milk, 2 eggs, 1 cup of water, 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 4 tablespoons of melted butter. You will also need a large dish, a whisk and a strainer. Take a jug or a dish. Add eggs and beat it well using a whisk. Add milk and water and give it a mix and put it aside. Take a big dish, add flour and salt and mix it with a whisk. Make a well in the center, add small amounts of the egg mixture and mix it well to combine after each addition until the batter is smooth and is lump-free. Add melted butter and mix it well. Strain the batter using a strainer to remove any lumps and press any lumps through using a spatula. Cover it with a plastic wrap and let it rest for 1 hour in the fridge. After 1 hour, take it out of the fridge, give it a mix, put the plastic wrap back on and let it come to room temperature for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, it's time to make the crepes. You will also need some cooking spray or you can use some oil with a pastry brush. To cook the crepes, place a pancake pan or a non-stick pan on medium heat and heat it. Lightly spray the pan with some cooking spray or brush some oil using a pastry brush. Move the pan away from the heat, pour about 1/4 cup of the crepe batter, turn the pan around to spread the batter evenly and cook it until the top is dry. When you move the pan back and forth, if the crepe moves, it means that it's time to turn it over. Cook it for 1 minute, take it out on a plate and repeat this process. My crepes are ready and you can put any of your favorite filling in the middle and serve it to family and friends. Enjoy.
If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy videos, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of my latest videos.